On the left is my Nathan 3-chime P3, and on the right is my Leslie RS2A train horns. I've had these for quite a long time. They originally look silver, steel color, metal, and I decided to finally paint them. I had to use a steel wool to scrub off some corrosion that was on the bells and near the power chambers and stuff on both. So anyway, I'm going to do both horns. I'm getting my compressor ready, and the first horn I'm going to do is going to be my P3. I put in the CPKC because P3s are quite often on Canadian Pacific nowadays, and I went with this because Leslie horns, they were on Conrail, but I wanted to do like a Santa Fe yellow, but I went with Etchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe for fun. So I know I'll probably get some criticism, or people really will like them. It's something I personally wanted to do. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video of both horns. Like I mentioned, the first horn will be on the left, the P3, and then the second one will be on the right. I'll be doing a crossing sequence. Well, that was cool. The Amish guy in the corner was communicating. That was cool.